Welcome to this tutorial on format-list, one of PowerShell's most useful cmdlets for detailed property display. This command is essential when you need to inspect objects thoroughly and see all their properties in an easy-to-read format. Throughout this video, you'll learn how to use format-list effectively to display object properties in a vertical list format, making it perfect for troubleshooting and detailed analysis. Format-list is a PowerShell cmdlet that displays object properties in a vertical list format. Unlike table format, which shows data horizontally in columns, format-list shows each property name and its corresponding value on separate lines. This makes it incredibly easy to read when you're dealing with objects that have many properties or properties with long values. The vertical layout ensures nothing gets truncated or cut off. The basic syntax for format-list is straightforward. You can pipe any cmdlet output directly to format-list, such as get-process pipe format-list. You can also use the property parameter to specify which properties you want to display. For example, format-list property name, id, CPU will show only those three properties. This gives you control over exactly what information you want to see. One of the most powerful features of format-list is the ability to show all properties of an object using the asterisk wildcard. When you run get-service pipe format-list property asterisk, PowerShell will display every single property that the service object contains. This is extremely useful because many properties are hidden by default when you use other formatting cmdlets. The asterisk wildcard unlocks complete visibility into the object structure. Here's what format-list output actually looks like. Each property appears on its own line with the property name on the left, followed by a colon, and then the property value on the right. In this example, you can see properties like name, which shows WiiWaServe, display name showing Windows Update, status showing running, start type showing manual, service type showing Win32 share process, and dependent services showing an empty array. This clean vertical layout makes it easy to scan through and find exactly what you're looking for. Format-list offers several key benefits that make it indispensable for PowerShell users. First, it's easy to read for detailed inspection because of the vertical layout. Second, it shows hidden properties by default, revealing information you wouldn't normally see. Third, it's perfect for troubleshooting since you can examine every aspect of an object. And fourth, it handles long property values exceptionally well, displaying them completely without truncation. These benefits make format-list your go-to tool for deep object inspection. Format-list supports several useful parameters. The property parameter lets you specify which properties to display, giving you control over the output. The GroupBy parameter allows you to group output by a specific property value, which is helpful when working with multiple objects. The view parameter lets you use predefined display formats that are configured in PowerShell format files. Understanding these parameters helps you customize the output to match your specific needs. Format-list shines in many practical scenarios. Use it for debugging scripts by viewing all object properties to understand what data you're working with. It's excellent for inspecting detailed system information when you need to see every available detail. You can use it to find the exact property name for filtering, which is crucial when building more complex commands. And it's perfect for discovering available properties on custom objects, helping you understand the structure of objects created by other scripts or modules. These use cases demonstrate why format-list is an essential tool in every PowerShell user's toolkit.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.